Senate hearing on extrajudicial killings, witness Edgar Matabato claims to be part of the Davao Death Squad, and he says that Mayor Rodrigo Duterte ordered the killing of suspected criminals. Among the targets he disclosed was a certain Sally Macdum, who he says is an international terrorist. But people who know both Matubato and Macdum say Matubato is lying. Matubato is a regular customer at this eatery in Samal Island. This is where he usually takes his breakfast and lunch. He also became friends with the owners since his second wife is their third-degree relative. Matubato is into buying and selling of lands. He also served as a bodyguard to a local politician. He is known in the Peña Plata market. Business owners and residents say he always carries and shows off guns, including high-powered ones. Many say he is a troublemaker.
Natakot na kami kaya kasi marami kasi siyang baril ganito. No, tapos may ganun pa siyang baril. Tapos nagsasabi siya na DDS daw siya. Lagi niya binabangin yun, DDS ako, DDS ako. Tapos pamapatay ako ng maraming tao. Ganun ang sinasabi niya sa nakakatakot. Ano ba yung DDS? Pumapatay ng tao. Tapos bibili siya ng lupa, tapos papatay siya ng tao.
Meanwhile, Macdum is more popularly referred to as Eric or Tubo. Since he is a Turkish national, he lived in Davao since 1997. He had a common law wife and a child in Samal Island. Macdum and Matubato are not just neighbors. Their wives are cousins. Macdum's mother-in-law says Matubato initially tried to sell gold to Macdum after finding out he was into a buy-and-sell trade. But from there, he had another offer. Matubato tried to sell a piece of land to Macdum. Macdum agreed and was ready to pay. Dindin says the money is already prepared in a bag. They even met at Matubato's favorite eatery where the transaction was supposed to take place, but it could have been set up.
Nag-order sila sa kape niya. Wala pa may nakaserve. Niabot ang kauban ni Matubato. Mga 7 katao. So nasikang mata sa turko. Kaya anak siya mara siya na nervous ba. Siya guard. Anak ko si Edgar nga. Kanang huwag ka lang matakot. Sama ka naman sa kanila. Pero may L300 yan sa baba mo.
Dindin claims some investigators came over since Macdum's wife filed a complaint, but Matubato's wife tried to stop them from cooperating with the law enforcers.
Mo ari ang CIDG ma'am no. Pag na sa CIDG mo puli ang igsoon kasawa nga anong ganang inon niya akong asawa ba nga nung dili ka mag-testimony ha. Ayaw pag-testimony ha kay madaot ka ana.
And until now, Macdum's family never found justice for him. Trisha Terada, CNN Philippines, Davao City.